Please be seated. Guest of honor Father Norbert Kess, respected Father Principal, Sister Headmistress, colleagues, parents and dear students, a warm good morning to all. I, on behalf of the Cultural Committee of DBS, would like to welcome you all for today's cultural dance competition. As a nation and as a country, culture is an important part of our upbringing, who we are today. Our country's culture is something that we will be buried with when we die, and we will have to live with it for the rest of our lives. What could be more wonderful than children representing our cherished culture? I am sure our answer to this question will be that's right, because it will bring smiles to our faces and help us to go home with a flood of feelings, a river of patriotism coursing through our veins, our hands and our beating hearts. We Indians have a long and illustrious history of dance and music. We should consider ourselves fortunate that we are able to showcase our country's cultural glory through these events, and on top of that, we have children performing dance performances that represent India art form. For the past 2 weeks on their preparations, they have tried every possibility to make sure that every move is flawless and that every dance performance receives a standing ovation from our audience. But before we begin our cultural dance competition, I request our chief guest Father Leonard Kerketa, the guest of honor Father Norbert Kess, another guest of honor Brother Lazarus Beck to come to the stage. Father Leonard Kerketa with the Fulam Gamusa. I request Madam Molina to felicitate and welcome our guest of honor, Father Norbert Kess. I request Ms. Suchita to felicitate and welcome our brother Lazarus Beck to our midst. Thank you, fathers. Thank you, brother. You can take your seats. How are you? Loud? This beautiful day, I like to welcome all of you. First of all, with us, Father Leonard Kerketa is here. We welcome him. We are already with Fulan Gamasa. We have welcomed him. And we see that he was here around long time back. When I was small, I had seen him, and today he is here with his beard. That time there was dark beard. Now always says, always looking into the needs of the school, and it's really wonderful that she is also today here. And we have one brother Lazarus Beck. He'll be our judge today, and we welcome him too. And really, it is very nice. I welcome all the teachers. They have been very busy last 2 weeks according to different groups, and they have really prepared the students for today's program. And welcome to all, and I also thank them in advance. And dear children, all of you are very busy last 2 weeks. Those are participating especially in the program, and those who are in the groups, all of you are supporting morally or
with your presence around here. It was wonderful to see. So we welcome all of you.
Okay, volume sodium 9. Current indication. ये वॉल्यूम ना निकली धमाका जोर से बाजे लगे है।
we prepare few questions, not so much. So from your what you are performing the cultural heritage of Assam. So among you, you can answer it. Some, if anybody know from your group, they can also answer it. But now, some questions you can't ask from anybody else. All right? So I'll ask in Assamese. All right? Bihu, আমি সকলোৱে জানো আমাৰ জাতীয় উৎসৱ। বিহুক লৈ আমি গৌৰৱান্বিত, আমি গোটেই সকলো অসমবাসী গৌৰৱান্বিত। তেনেধৰণৰ নানা আমাৰ জাতীয় সংস্কৃতি নৃত্য আছে। তাৰে তোমালোকে গছ-গছনিত কিছুমান ফুল ফুলে, হয়নে? আমি বিহুক যেতিয়া আদৰো তেতিয়া এবিধ ফুল ফুলে, কিন্তু মোৰ প্ৰশ্নটো হৈছে কি বিহু ফুলে বিহুক বিদায় দিয়ে? কি ফুলে বিহুক বিদায় দিয়ে? নাহৰ ফুল। নাহৰটো নহয়, আচলতে আজাৰ ফুল আছিলে। তথাপিও ধন্যবাদ। আৰু এটা প্ৰশ্ন আছিলে, এইটো তোমালোকে কাকো সুধিব নোৱাৰিবা। তোমালোকে নৃত্য পৰিদৰ্শন কৰিলা, তাতে এটা মিউজিকেল ইনষ্ট্ৰুমেণ্ট বা এটা বস্তু ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছা যাৰ নাম টকা। তোমালোকে জানানে তোমালোকে গ্ৰুপত কেইজন বা কেইটা টকা ব্যৱহাৰ হৈছে? পিছফালে চাব নোৱাৰিবা তুমি ডাইৰেক্ট।
No.